Hi, amazing people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this episode, this is our day 4 dito sa Shangjiajie, sa China. And we're very excited kasi finally, ito na yung day na pupunta tayo sa Avatar Mountains kasi hindi na pwedeng last day gawin yun. So, for sure, today na gagawin yun, guys. So, Avatar Mountains is just in this Shangjiajie area, and hindi namin kailangan mag-check out dito sa hotel. 2 nights kami magstay dito, and ang sarap lang sa feeling na hindi mo kailangan mag-pack up agad pagkagising mo para umalis dun sa hotel. Kasi ngayon at least as is lang. So gumising ka lang, ligo, ayan, palit ka na ng base ka na ng damit, and then pwede ka nang bumaba sa breakfast. Kaya masarap yung gising. So Avatar Mountains, mag-spend daw kami ng buong araw doon, and then pupunta din kami sa Fox show mamayang gabi. Sabi ni Francis, nadaanan namin kahapon yung Fox show, yung itsura nung pinaka theater niya, and maganda siya. So looking forward dun sa show na yun. And syempre, dun sa Avatar Mountains, kung saan, yun yung title nung pinaka tour niya ito, Furong Avatar Mountains Tour. Kaya excited kaming lahat para doon, and excited din kami sa araw na to kung ano pa yung iba namin makikita at may experience. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Tingnan nyo yung sa akin.
Saging.
Hindi, maganda lang doon sa mga ganyan. Pero pwedeng i-try ng lahat. So reminder lang sa mga ganyan instances, talaga namang nagustuhan ninyo yun. So guys, ito yung view natin ngayong araw. Dito sa room. Ano siya? Yung parking, tapos yung city. Ganyan siya pag umaga. And overlooking din yung mountains over there. I'm just not sure kung yan ba yung Avatar Mountains o hindi. So bababa na tayo para mag-breakfast. Okay guys, so pababa na ako sa akin lobby. And reminder lang guys na sa mga ganito, dun sa last 2 hotels na pinagstayan namin, meron silang binibigay na breakfast voucher. Ano ba yun sa akin? So, along with the ticket, with the card. So, ito yun. Papakita nyo lang sa baba. Alright guys, so ito yung breakfast area. Oh, madaming ano dito, pastry. May cookies din, oh. Tapos mayroong bread, may toaster. Kabilang side. May nagkakalat kayo.
Sorry po.
Ang mga pa-breakfast natin, parang same lang din naman nung mga ibang breakfast. Rice noodles. Tapos ito parang porridge. Parang porridge. Dito for the gulay. And fruits. And noodles. Ikot lang natin. And that's the end. So guys, ito yung food natin. Kumuha lang ako ng mga gulay, rice, pizza. May pizza kasi sila for a change. Tapos chicken poppers. Tapos ito weird man tignan pero yogurt to. And masarap. Mahal ko sa atin so kumuha ako ng dalawa. Magkasakitan na ng tiyan dito mamaya. Pero kumuha ako ng dalawa. Morning po. Ayan, so kain muna tayo. So guys, tapos na ako kumain. Akyat na ako dito sa bus. Hinihintay na lang yung mga kasama pero patapos na rin sila.
Yuan, Yuan. It is also one of the national park, forest park. Yeah, and then also same like yesterday. Now today we're heading. Firstly, we see some of the shop first. Okay, and after those shops, and then we will straight away go to the park, and we will stay because long time in the shop. So once again, the entire afternoon we'll stay in the mountain, and also we will have a show in the afternoon. Okay, no, in the evening, the Fox Lady show, right? Fox Lady show. So today our arrangement will be a little bit full. Okay. Yeah. So these are the activities what we're going to have. And mention about the shopping. Okay. later we'll firstly visit one of the shop. Perhaps for some of us, you might heard about it before, perhaps not. Which is selling what? The latex. The latex. Yeah. Some of us, perhaps you already bought it before. Yeah. Because I mean, mentioned about the for example, the mattress. Okay, latex is one of the best material, right? We have. So that's why a lot of company actually nowadays they're manufacturing in China. So compared to in Vietnam or Thailand or other places, they can compare the price here compared to even Philippines. The price here is more reasonable. That's the first reason. And secondly, we have a lot of high-tech knowledge built in those mattresses. So these are the things later on we're going to take note.
Alright guys, so andito tayo sa ating first stop for the day, which is yung compulsory shopping sa latex shop. Yung original manufacturer daw nitong latex nila dito is from Japan, and then yung company mismo is Hong Kong based naman, pero andito pa din sa China yung pinaka production nila. So yan, punta tayo dito para mapakita ko sa inyo. And so let's go. Ayan guys, so ito yung pangalan niya, Initial Latex. Tanungin natin sila kung ano ang latex.
Morning.
Good morning. Yun, higa na tayo. Hui! Alam mo, gumanon na. Okay, ayan. Ayan, so guys, pinapakita kong ito yung mga memory foam guys. Oh, ang lambot. Ayan guys, ang daming mga memory foam. Parang bango-bango dito guys. So, magkakaroon sila of course ng discussion, pero ayan, room ko lang kayo. Mga memory foam nila. Ganda oh. Ayan. So, dun daw tayo. May pwesto tayo dun. Ayan guys, so ayan guys, so pinagtipon kami para mag-discuss.
I will explain about our products, and then after that we can together sleep there.
Oh.
We can try our products for 20 minutes. But before I will explain about our products, and then you can, you know how to use it. So before, have you been to latex store before? No. Yes. No. Some of you yes already. Some of you not yet. So I will explain again. Okay. Welcome to our company, the Initial Latex. We are part of the initial business, and if you have been to Beijing, Shanghai, Mongolia, Hainan, we also have branch there. Now, and since 2020, this is our factory located in Kunming. 80% use AI. Nah, did pollution like this. So by this we can cut a lot of production costs. With the same quality, we can guarantee, we can give you the most affordable price. Now, because of this, now we can do cooperation with this brand. You heard about this one, Silly?
Yes.
This
When
one
eating.
is almost in Philippines and Indonesia. Simon, Silly, Santa, King Coin. This is American brand, but now if you notice, now all is made in China. Why? Because now we supply latex for them. Now we supply 2 cm thickness latex, just 2 cm. The bottom they use their own material, like memory foam or spring box. But the topper we supply for them the 2 cm thickness latex. Why only 2 cm thickness? Because latex is still pricey, premium. Latex can protect the bottom material. That's why expensive. But here in our company, our latex not just 2 cm thickness. We have start from the 5 cm thickness like this, and then 7.5, and then 10 centimeters. Or if you want to change your mattress, we also have 20 cm like. For example, you want to sleep at 7.
Guys, yan yung pinakamahal nilang bed. May alarm daw yung bed.
Can move. The bed can move. Yes, yeah.
It will throw you out.
Very jolly siya, no? Oo nga, very jolly.
And then,
Dadaganan mo.
Siya nang tinatawanan mag-exercise pa eka.
and here we have chicken egg. Okay? But
What is that?
chicken egg.
Chicken egg.
Yeah, true. But don't focus on the egg, okay? Because we are not selling egg.
Okay.
Hindi na mabasa.
We are not selling egg.
Okay, pag hindi basag yan, bibili namin. Bibili namin. Oo.
Pag di daw nabasag egg yung bibilihin.
Maybe if the egg is
Natawanan
hot,
siguro
maybe
kasi
we can
sweet na
eat
ako.
egg is hard. We will put the egg here.
Pag hindi basag yan, bibili ko yung egg.
Okay, we will only focus on the elasticity of the pillow, okay?
Okay.
Not egg.
Do it.
1, 2, 3.
Go!
You see,
Ay,
the bouncing is
wala
very
pala.
good.
Yeah.
Why? Because this is rubber. So the
Rubber?
elasticity is very good. And if you see from this side, not too much sinking. It means when we are sleeping on this material, can support our body, will not sinking. Very good to protect our spine.
Can we check the egg?
You see, the egg still okay.
Oh! Ang brand X.
You see, the bouncing is less. And if we see from this side, sinking inside. And this side slip up. What it means this pillow is very soft. Even the name same latex, but don't use this pillow. Because you can use for long time.
How's the egg? Siyempre.
How's the egg?
Oh!
Crack already.
Basag! Yan na yung pricing,
But now we
guys.
need innovation. Now we put turmeric stone 10% into our product. So now we are promoting the negative ion pillow. For negative ion pillow, the price if you buy online is 980 yuan. 980 yuan. But if you want to purchase in our store, for the foreigner, because you come here with your passport.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung saging.
Saging.
Ito din, oh.
Naga 20
15 times 9.
Nasa labas kami. Alright guys, so tapos na kami dun sa latex shop. And tinihintay na lang yung iba na bumili. So reminder lang sa mga ganitong instances, kung talaga namang nagustuhan ninyo yung product and kailangan ninyo and may pambili kayo syempre, nasa sa inyo to. Even though yung term na ginamit is compulsory shopping, it does not mean that you actually have to buy. Ibig sabihin lang you have to attend, you have to listen to them and give them the chance to present their products. So yun yung pinaka-essential nung compulsory shopping. Pero hawak nyo pa rin ang beat kung bibili ba kayo o hindi. So hindi ko pa namin alam kung saan tayo next dito. Pero inihintay na lang namin yung mga kasama.
In the restaurant, if you don't ask, normally we don't provide ice, right? That's a Chinese tradition. Okay. Normally Chinese people, we like to drink warm tea even in the summertime, because the nature provide us different temperature. But the warm things always easier for your stomach to accept. Okay. But not the ice thing. Not the ice thing. Only in the cold air there is ice. There are ice there.
Kaya pala.
But the rest of the area there is no nature ice. So we believe that if you want to drink something healthy, definitely organic or definitely come from the environment you have. Okay, so that's why, especially the summertime. Actually, some of the places we even drink the hot tea, not just the warm hot tea. Okay, and the very middle summer day. Okay, that is why later let's try some of this tea. Okay, try some of this tea. I would like to just give you a very brief introduction of the history of the tea. Okay, for example, in the ancient time, China was famous by a lot of tea and the silk and a lot of like the bronze metal products. And tea plays an important role, especially in the western part, like Europe, like Middle East, those countries, there are not tea at all. So in the desert, especially Middle East, a lot of people only eat meat, like lamb, like those things, but they don't have tea. So after long term, people easy to get sick, like cholesterol, right? Like hypertension, those illnesses. Then later, it was China invented tea. Okay, that's why later on, a lot of people after they drink tea, because they don't have veggie, so they will use tea, right? And after a long term, then they realize it is very very healthy. Okay, if you don't have veggie, if you don't eat a lot of veggie, okay, that is the things you need. And also it's good for stomach, intestines. Okay, so that is why later the black tea especially getting very popular in Middle East and also in Europe. Why nowadays a lot of, like for example, British, okay, and then some of like the French people, okay, they prefer black tea. They even have afternoon tea. I mean, this tradition need to trace back to Chinese.
Sandali lang guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel na ito na AJTV Amazing Travels, mag-subscribe na kayo dahil malaking tulong yun para sa akin na may ipagpatuloy ang paggawa ng mga ganitong klaseng travel videos. Yun lang guys, and back to the vlog. So guys, dito na kami sa next stop. Compulsory shopping din sa herbal tea shop for Chinese tea. So magta-try daw ng different types of tea at bago daw mag-lunch. So ito yung next natin gagawin. So magkasunod na compulsory shopping tayo today, and para at least ma-try din natin ulit kung iba ba to dun sa herbal tea shop na napunta namin sa Hangzhou before or same lang. So we will definitely find out sa video ito. So stay tuned. Ayan guys, so andito na tayo sa herbal tea shop, and wala daw English na guide dito, so si Francis na lang mismo yung magdi-discuss sa amin. So dito tayo, ito yung paligid niya.
Di ba?
Ayan. Ganda. Okay, ganda dito guys.
OK，然后呢，你们看到这个大厅里面大部分的东西都是茶叶制作的，包括这个，还有地上摆的都是黑茶啊。
Actually, like this column and these some of things are all made in tea.
对，因为我知道菲律宾主要是喝咖啡了嘛，但是中国呢主要是茶，茶文化比较重要哈。
In Philippines, also there's a black kind of things very popular, which is coffee, right? But in China, mainly we drink black tea.
因为中国人说喝茶是代表健康的，是长寿的意思哈。
Because the tea represents more healthy and long life.
OK， 看来，
Yeah.
你们都可以摸一摸，像这些都是茶叶做的，可以摸一下感受一下像这样。
This is made by tea leaf. Okay, this one also made by tea leaf. This one is a full. Now a lot of people, okay, buy for a souvenir, give to a friend. Like this one is very popular. Okay.
这个就是中国最早开始喝茶的人，茶圣啊。
He was the one who invented the way make tea. Make tea. His name is called Du Yu. Also called the father of tea. Father of tea.
对，在古代人的寿命只有35岁的情况下，他靠喝茶活到了120岁。
In the average lifespan, only like 35 to 40, he successfully lived until 100, more than 100.
所以中国人说喝茶很好哈。 茶的
That's
起
why it's very popular.
Guys, ito yung mga sample na tea. Yung mga tea leaves.
Hello everybody，中国 是没有咖啡因的，其他你们喝的所有的茶都有咖啡因哈。
Okay. There are 6 type of teas, like white tea, yellow tea, green tea, and black tea. These two are called the black tea, but this one is more darker, and that one is only this one no coffee, no coffee. But the rest of all you can only drink in the morning also.
OK， 阿妹，然后阿哥啊，
Yeah, like gentlemen we call 阿哥。
来中国一定要多喝茶哈，茶是健康的。在这边可以坐这边哈。中国有很多茶，去每个地方都有茶喝，它的口感是不一样的。
In every area of China, there are different teas there, but the fragrance and taste is all different.
你们应该喝过的就是绿茶和乌龙茶，对吗？
The most popular, or maybe the one you tried before, like oolong tea, and green tea.
这两个茶是咖啡因最多的。
But full of coffee inside.
有的人喝多了之后睡不着觉，有的人喝多了之后便秘。
Some people fall asleep after drink tea, and also uncomfortable stomach.
对，但是呢，今天你们来到湖南喝的茶是没有咖啡因的，所以喝了是能够睡觉的哈。
But now you come to Hunan province, all the tea here no coffee. So later you can sleep well.
所以如果家里有小朋友的，或者是怀孕的孕妇，都是能够喝的。哈
Okay, even like for example pregnant ladies in the period, all you can drink.
对，如果有吃药的人喝这个茶是没有问题的，就是不解药性。
And even like you are having medicine, also it's okay.
哎，然后刚刚介绍过的黑茶哈，它是没有保质期的，所以你买回去可以一直存放，越久越好。
And just now the one we saw, the black tea, there's no expiry date. So the longer you keep, the more expensive, better.
然后你们今天来到这里第一次，我请你们喝两个，一个是5年的年份，一个是10年的年份。
And today we're going to try 2 type of the black tea, the dark tea. 这个是
5年。
5 years. This one, 5 years.
这个是10年。
This one already 10 years.
哎，
哇
如果呢你们要送长辈，想要更好一点的，18年的、32年的，全部都有哈。
These are some of the prices a little bit higher. 18 years, 18 years.
对，这个是32年。
32 years. 32
好
years.
像黑茶呢，买回去可以换钱的，就是如果你不喝，它达到一定的年份，我们是可以免费回收的。
And also black tea is also very popular. So that's why if you keep longer, later if you didn't drink, you can also come back and sell to them again.
来，给你们看一下它的样子哈，这个就是第一种，
This is the first type.
对，这个是机械压的，
Okay, compressed by machine.
这个是不建议大家买的，因为它的质量不好，这种质量不好哈。
This one, the quality is not that good.
对，这个我们说是打人用的，不是喝的，就是这个不
Also
好，
can protect yourself.
所以这个没有用哈。我们请大家喝的是这种黑茶，里面有金花的。
Now you take a look. This tea is famous because you see a little bit golden powder on it, right?
这个叫金花，
We call it the golden flower. Golden flower.
它不是长霉了哈，你们不要以为它是发霉哈。
It's not
对
rotten.，
我们可以看看。
These are those bacteria that live in the tea.
这个金黄色的东西长得越多，代表它的价格就会卖得越高哈。
This type of golden things, the more you see this one, the more the price is higher.
但是你们记住，这个茶叶不要放冰箱，金花会全部冻死掉哈。
But
Guys, ito yun, no?
this
Bacteria
kind
daw
of
ito.
bacteria only survive in normal temperature. Okay, don't put it in the refrigerator.
所以你看，我们茶叶都是通风百风的，只要通风哈。
So
Nakaputi pa naman ako. Gusto ko yung nakaputi.
导游给他用大杯哈。
First,
Ay, hindi mo na ako naninilig.
hindi. Maganda lang daw sa mga naninigarilyo. Pero pwedeng itry ng lahat.
这个就是白茶
So, white tea guys. Try
This is
natin.
white tea. White tea. And later you stop there. You can try something. It's a little bit sweet. Come out from your mouth. Right?
Ano to?
White
After
tea.
taste it.
这是第一个哈
Hindi siya masyadong malasa guys. Ano lang.
来，
Konting-konting lasa lang. Parang mild.
现在我们喝第二个茶，第二个茶不一样，它是杜
So
仲
ito yung
茶。
white tea first.
Now this is
So guys, itong second tea natin is good for kidney, for exercise, dun sa mga nag-snore.
You don't fall asleep.
这个茶的颜色就是杜仲茶哈，
Black color, dark color.
杜仲 tea。
Same lang po yung lagay. So,
OK OK。
medyo black yung color niya guys.
给他多一个杯子，等一下啊。
Let's try.
Pakainit.
Napakainit. Napaso yung dila ko.
It's hot. It's hot.
给这个美女一个杯子。
Pero mas masarap to.
Mas may tapang po.
Oh,
Mas may tapang.
Mas matagal na naibabad yung sa puno. Mas masarap to.
Mas may tapang siya. Tsaka yung lasa niya mas ano, mas ramdam mo. Mas ramdam mo. Kumpara doon sa una. So,
OK，你们现在当然所有的都可以放，
Oh, of course.
哎，包括你们喜欢喝花茶也可以放到里面。
Mix with the flower tea, lemon, or some other things.
牛奶。
Even like milk and sugar.
哎，OK，
pwede
好
siyang
记
ihalo.
住5年保质期哈，油
Take a look.
啊，
Do a small demonstration.
油
Okay.
哈，OK。
Oil.
每天你们的早餐、中餐、晚餐里面都会吃到的，这个代表我们的肚子哈。
This is, for example, like this cup is just like our stomach.
油呢跟水一起喝，它是没有任何作用的，它是不能消油的哈。
Okay. So this is the mineral water. Just the normal mineral water. You put inside, nothing will happen, right?
OK 哈，然后呢，但是我们喝茶它不一样哈，
So, but you take a look. If we put the tea inside,
这个是黑茶了哈，不是黑色，它是金黄色的。
this is black tea. But the color is like this. Take a look.
来，茶放到里面，它会把这个油脂融合。我们来看看
It will
啊，
absorb
Ayan.
the oil.
这个是代表你们运动，不是叫你们回菲律宾像我这样摇哈。
So after that, you like exercise, for example. Exercise.
OK，
While ago, later,
不一样的啊。然后这个它就会把这个油溶解掉啊。
some of the oil already, the water they mix together already, the tea.
你要把它带出去，要把它排干净，很简单。我们要喝水，或者是你们喝咖啡也可以，上厕所，然后它会把这个油脂慢慢的全部排干净。
So you see
啊
the water inside, no different, no anything change.
Right.
So that's why if you drink water, the oil wouldn't come out. But only after you drink a lot of teas, you can see that they already turns into, how to describe it, and they're easy to go.
这个不是在变魔术，这个就是中国茶的好处，喝茶的好处哈。
This is not magic. This is just the reason why those, for example, Middle East in European country, a lot of people, later on they drink tea.
OK，
Meat, right? Fat.
Guys, black tea na
Butter.
yung itatry for the black tea.
It's very hot, right? Yes, it's very hot. Chinese tea is always like that.
Sheshe. Black tea. Medyo mainit-init pa. Ayokong itry agad kasi sobrang mainit yung black tea.
We're gonna take it, yeah.
Hindi na. Hindi, go na. Ito na to.
Ito nga, di ba? Di ba init? Anong lasa? Lasa yung tea.
Parang hindi ko na ma-distinguish yung difference niya dun sa iba. Parang pareho lang na yung lasa sa akin. Siguro dahil sa sunod-sunod na yung trinay natin.
这个茶有点烫哈，教你们怎么喝吧。
Pero parang mas ano to, mas masarap.
okay na naman.
Mas masarap
黑
yung
茶怎么
lasa.
喝？教一
Parang
下你们
pasarap
适
siya.
合，因为它比较烫，它的温度比较高。
Okay, Okay, black tea, very hot. So you see all our Chinese will be
Wala siyang sweetener, wala kahit ano.
吸进去的。
medicine.
So guys, meron ding tablet. Magki-cleanse daw ng colon. Mga chan-chan. And then ito yung 10-year-old black tea. So ito daw swallow lang.
Oo, may lasang iba. Ang 10 years. Na ano na, sa pagpasok pa lang ng hiya.
他们两个区别是什么？Hello，告诉
Parang ginawa ko pong gamot.
它的速度比它要快1.3个。
What
Ang
is the
sarap ng black
difference
tea.
from this tablet and the
Black
tea?
na 10 years.
This is more faster, right? Every day you can use it.
所以这两个你自己去选。
Sarap. Masarap to guys. Ito yung pinakamasarap out of
Drinking
the
tea
four.
is more fun, right? So,
啊，
okay.
Price reveal na guys.
你们付所有钱都可以。
Okay, so the price, later we'll do it one by one.
我说啤酒，就是上班这个保肝护肝肝脏很好，这个。OK，来第一个one，这
First
个
round.
这个是对嗓子好的，还记不记得成年的 Angry？这个一个是300人民币，300。
One box is 300.
哦，也是。
先说价格，再说优惠，所以要听清楚
300 pass. Pa.
If you want a discount or what, later. Tell you the price first.
对，OK，300。
300.
这个第二个
Second
对腰肾好的，
Good for kidney.
这个也是300，
This one also 300.
两个一样哈。来，dark tea，dark tea，black tea 哈，
Dark tea.
这个一个是5年的500
500.
5-year-old one. 500 yuan.
，OK，这个是10年的
10 years old.
1200，1200
1,200.
啊。
So guys, palabas na tayo nung tea shop. And dito sa labas, makikita ninyo merong Budulan area. Ayan, so madaming mga bibili dito. Uy, para kay Kel. Oh. Ay, maganda. Ito 10 din dito. 5 lang to dun sa ano eh. Di ba ito yung 5 lang? Ayan. So, tignan natin dito sa kabilang side, guys. Ayan, may mga jewelry. Ito ref magnet. 10 yuan siya. So guys, try natin tong blueberry. May buto yung blueberry nila. Ang sarap. Sarap.
500.
Sarap ng blueberry, guys.
这个好吃。
Okay.
Thank you. How much one only? One 10 yuan. 70 is 50.
Ang sarap yun ito. So guys, ito, nakabili ako dito. Ang initial offer nila is 7. Ito po.
这个来
Opo. Masarap po yan. Try nyo po, try nyo. 7 for 50 yuan. Opo. Pero, natawaran ko. 9. 9 for 50. Gusto ko yung kinuha mo yung ano nila. Dito lang talaga yung free taste eh. Kita sa vlog talaga. Ayan. So, 9 for 50. Alright guys, so our next stop is going to be lunch. Lunch na. First time ko to na-experience na for the whole morning, ang ginawa lang is yung dalawang magkasunod na compulsory shopping sa latex nga, tsaka itong tea. Though nakabili naman tayo ng mga pasalubong. So, tip ko talaga is makipag-bargain kayo as much as you could para at least makuha ninyo yung best price possible. Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa lunch area. Rekta na ata to sa Avatar Mountains, no? Okay. Kukain muna tayo. So, parang hotel din ito. Oh, may free taste. Thank you. May free taste. Oh,
Sana sila ma'am.
second floor. So guys, so far yan yung dumating na lunch. Pero dadami pa yan, promise. So guys, tapos na kami kumain at dahil dyan, i-end ko na muna ang vlog nito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood ng episode na ito ng ating China Vlogs. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking future vlogs. See you sa next episode. Bye!